I've had 4,000 or so emails asking me to put out a tutorial about how to change a power switch on a Prince Castle. So figured I'd finally do it. So what you want to do is get your switch removal tool in here. Just start removing pieces of a switch. Now, as you can tell, this switch overheated. We might have to replace one or two of these spade connectors. I need to redo this connector here, see, because it's all burnt. So I'm going to cut the wire back. I'm going to strip it. I'm going to get our special spade connector here. And we just stick that on there like that. We got our pliers in here, needle nose pliers. Okay. And you squeeze it like this. Alright.
3673.
And you squeeze it like this. Okay.
I'm not sure whatever was on my screen.
And that's how you get a nice pretty crimp like that. That's how that's done in a professional world. So now that's taken care of. Now we just shove the switch in.